Hi, I'm Julie Drake with Advanced Innergy, and I have with me today Joyce Day with various things, but today we're talking about the melt method. And the reason we're talking about this is because Advanced Innergy turned 1 in August. And coming up on August 22nd from 4 to 7, we are having our big birthday celebration. And Joyce is going to be demonstrating what we're talking about today, the melt method, at 5:30 on that day. So Joyce, tell us a little bit about what even is the melt method, first of all. I'd love to hear more.
Yeah, absolutely. So, hi everyone. The melt method is a technique that works on the connective tissue or fascia of the body. So, you know how so many people, they're struggling with that pain and stiffness in the body, especially as we get older or we have injuries. And, maybe it's an old injury or, that low back pain that comes back or an old shoulder issue. So connective tissue, it's like a wetsuit that lives under your skin, and it's what holds your muscles and bones and organs together. It's literally the fabric of tissue that holds us together. And it can become dehydrated or kind of stuck in the sense that it loses its slide and glide. Really common in areas where we've had injuries. But it's also if we sit for long periods of time, you stand up from the couch and you're like, oh my gosh, my back, what happened? Connective tissue, it becomes compressed or stiffened over time. And so the melt method uses small balls on the hands and feet. So they come in a little pouch like this. It looks like this. To work on our hands and feet. And we also have a soft roller that's actually
See, I hadn't seen that one before. I knew about the little ones, but that's cool. That's for the back.
This is what we use to work on different parts of the body. So if we have shoulder pain or neck pain or back pain, usually that pain is coming from some kind of stiffness or stuck stress in the body, in the connective tissue. So in our melt classes, we teach you how to assess yourself and figure out where is this pain and stiffness coming from in the body. And then we use the soft roller. It's a squishy, where's my camera? It's a squishy roller. It's not those hard foam rollers. And we teach you how to go in and bring fluid into these stiff, tight areas, restore the slide and glide, and help you to move easier, eliminate pain and stiffness. I broke my leg really severely a few years ago. And
I'm thinking about that exact thing when you were talking. I'm wondering if it's from the accident that you had.
Yes, I was in a skiing accident, and to fix my broken leg, they stuck a steel rod through my knee and they pound it down inside the bone with a hammer. So I had a lot of stiffness. I couldn't bend my knee very well. I had a lot of pain in my hip. In fact, my whole left leg kind of felt like a stump. And that was after three rounds of physical therapy, chiropractic, massage, all the things. All those things helped, but I still felt like I couldn't move that part of my body properly, and it was causing pain other places. So I started with the hand and foot treatments, and then worked my way into the body treatments. And now I'm happy to report that I can bend my knee all the way. I can sit cross-legged. I can do all the things, and it's really made a huge difference for me. So during the pandemic, I got certified, and now I'm the only certified melt practitioner in the entire Peoria area. In fact, these treatments that I teach, you really can't, they're usually offered in like Chicago and large cities and places like that. So it's a really big deal that we have access to these kind of trainings right here in Peoria.
I love that because, as you know, at Advanced Innergy, we believe that with the right tools and with the right environment, that the body really does heal itself in so many ways. And I also loved what you said, Joyce, about how it all fits together. The PT fits together. The body is complex. It is, amazing. And I don't think that there is any one person, practitioner, that can know everything about this intense being that we are, because it would just blow our minds. So like you said, to marry this with that is really what we're all about here at Advanced Innergy. Now, are you going to have these available for sale at that open house, or how can people get that night?
Yeah, I will have the ball package, little ball kits with me. I'll have my some soft rollers with me for purchase. And then I'll have information about workshops and classes and how you can start to implement some of these techniques into your personal care. Most of us are, we're stretching, we're doing yoga, we're doing physical therapy, we're doing chiropractic, we're doing massage, we're strengthening, we're trying to get in shape, we're doing all these things to try to address pain in the body. This is just that missing piece of the puzzle that really makes everything work really well. So I'll go over those things at the event and walk everyone through the mini treatments with the balls, give you a little taste of it and let you see how it works for you.
Fantastic. And again, this is for our grand birthday celebration. We turned 1, and it's going to be August 22nd at Advanced Innergy. We're at 400 East War Memorial Drive in Peoria. You can check out more at our website, which is Advanced Innergy. Look at the logo up top. It is INNERGY.com, and you can find out more about us there. And Joyce, I can't wait to have this demonstration live for everybody that's interested on that day. Remember, 5:30 on that day, you can come and get a live demonstration. So until we see you then, Joyce, have a great one.
Thank you. We'll see you there.
Bye-bye.